What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the fact that the doctor increased my dosage of testosterone replacement therapy. I was taking 200 milligrams and he wanted to increase that to 300 milligrams. But let me give you a little bit of history about what happened as to why I needed to start taking testosterone replacement therapy. So I went into the doctor, like I mentioned in past videos, and I got my levels checked. The first time he checked, you'll see here, my testosterone total, my total testosterone, and there's a difference between total testosterone and free testosterone, and there's lots of good videos on YouTube about that. And it can get a little bit confusing, so just check out those videos. But my total testosterone was testing at 183. Now, that's really low. My range here that my doctor uses, the upper range being 850, low being 240. And so mine was well below 240. But he did tell me later that anything below 300, he prescribes testosterone for. So my insurance requires me to go back 2 weeks later and get another test done. 2 weeks later, I went back, and my levels tested that time at 243. That's when my doctor started me on TRT. He told me to stay on it for a month, and then we'd test my levels again. And so we did. I take my dosages Sunday evenings. It just works out good for me to do it then. He said, come in right when you're supposed to take your next dosage. And so I did on a Monday morning, and those results came back at 202. As you see there. He was not happy with that because that's well below where I should be. So he increased my dosage to 300 every 2 weeks. But this is what I changed for myself. I didn't like the fact that I was going so long between dosages, and people I was hearing from and things I was seeing where other people were on TRT, they dose every week. And so I chose to start going every week. So I now inject 150 milligrams every Sunday evening. Let me take you to school for a second and show you how this lays out on a graph. School's in session, son. Okay, so testosterone is measured in nanograms per deciliter. Now, you will find different ranges out there as to what's normal, what's high, and what's low. But just for simplicity, I'm saying the normal range here is between 850 nanograms per deciliter and 300. Now, I'm going to explain to you why I chose to start injecting every week instead of every 2 weeks. When you inject, 48 hours after the injection, the testosterone peaks in your system. Then after that, testosterone has a half-life of 8 days. My doctor was telling me to inject every 2 weeks. So what I was doing, I was following his instructions, and I was actually putting 200 milligrams in. And then 2 weeks later, I was getting down below what was considered healthy and normal. That's why my level came back to 202. I decided to change it to every week, and he upped my dosage also. And so now what happens to keep me within this normal range here, this happy range, because basically that's what testosterone replacement therapy is about. You're just trying to feel normal again. You're just trying to feel happy again. When you've got a deficiency of testosterone, you just feel like, whatever, I don't feel like doing anything. I'm just gonna take a nap. And so I just wanted to wake up feeling normal again. I wanted to function normally again. So when I inject every week, I inject and it goes up, maybe even a little higher, but that's okay. I'm just trying to really stay in this normal range here. So I inject, and then a week later goes by, and I inject, and then a week later goes by, and I inject. So injecting weekly is just keeping me in the normal happy range, so I feel like I'm supposed to feel. Any questions about this, guys?
Yeah, I got a question. This is dumb. Here's your Apple Prof.
So I'm thankful that my doctor changed my dosage, and I'm also thankful that I learned that going every week helps me just feel more normal. I don't have those ups and downs like I was having. It's almost like my body just wasn't operating properly until I got that next shot when I was doing it every 2 weeks. If you have questions, leave those in the comment below. Also comments, how do you do it? Did you also learn these things that I learned about your body and listening to your body? Hope it's been helpful. Press the like button, and then also please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification so that you will see every time I upload a new video. God bless. Peace.